Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add Autotune to your vocals in BandLab using the mobile app. Super easy and free. First of all, open your BandLab application and make sure your device is connected to the internet. After you have opened the BandLab application, make sure you have signed into your Google or Facebook account. This is the profile. Now here you will see the trending videos, music option and communities and the following artists that you have followed in the BandLab. Now you will see the plus icon at the below. Click on that. Here you can import your file or record your own vocals from here. Right now I will import the file. After you have imported the file, it will automatically generate the track of the video. Now to put the Autotune, you will see the FX button at the side. First of all, select the track and click the FX option. Here you will see many trending effects on the BandLab that are completely free. Add the Autotune. Now scroll through the effects and look for FX auto pitch. Turn it on. You will see a dial where you can adjust the strain from the natural correction to full on robotic T-pen style. You can choose any effect. Suppose I use this and click on the auto pitch TM option. Click on that. Here you can adjust the intensity and adjust the volume or do whatever you like. You can choose the chromatic major minor option also. Then after you have done, you can simply play your video. After your video is done, you can simply download it from at the top right corner. Your music is done, you can download it from the top right corner. Make sure to set the right key of your song as the Autotune sounds clean. When you are happy, tap save and your track is ready. And that's it. That's how you add Autotune in BandLab. Try experimenting with different settings to get your perfect sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more music tips, and I'll see you in the next one.